Hello and good evening, everyone. So, today I am here from the advisory. I have been advised that to make the video short, not so lengthy. And today I'm going to discuss with you how the setup that we had provided you yesterday, जो हम लोगों ने आपको प्रोवाइड किया था, वो कैसे काम किया और उसके ऊपर कैसे काम किया जा सकता है। एंड जो भी एनालिसिस है, जो आप कह सकते हो कि एक पोस्ट एनालिसिस बनता है, एंड उसके बाद हम लोग फिर जाएंगे अगले सेटअप की तरफ जो कि कल के लिए है, बोथ ऑन निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी। मैं पहले टेलीग्राम चैनल में जाता हूँ जहाँ पर मैंने ये जो सेटअप है ये प्रीवियस डे मैंने शेयर किया था, और उसके बाद ये जो आप देख रहे हो 19 जनवरी, ये सेटअप मैंने प्रोवाइड किया था अराउंड 7:30। एंड इसमें आप जो देख सकते हो, दिस इज बेसिकली हाउ द सेटअप वर्कड। एंड यहाँ पर क्या क्या लाइक फॉलो करना चाहिए था और क्या क्या नहीं। So as I mentioned yesterday, कि Nifty was in a complete range, and breaking that range, Nifty started to go down, and it came down in a way you can say that it was a kind of flat and a negative market। तो आपको शायद बहुत ज़्यादा परसेंटेज का रिटर्न तो नहीं मिल सकता है अगर इफ़ यू आर थिंकिंग कि 50 रुपीज़ का कोई पुट अगर बन जाएगा 200 रुपीज़ इन एन इंस्टेंट, तो वो नहीं बनेगा। आपको यू हैव टू बी विद द ट्रेड फॉर मोर देन 2 आवर्स और 3 आवर्स, देन यू कैन गेट द रिटर्न। तो इसीलिए हम लोग इस मार्केट को फ्लैट एंड नेगेटिव मार्केट कहते हैं। नाउ यहाँ पर क्या हुआ था, इन द मॉर्निंग इट वाज अ ह्यूज सेल ऑफ, एंड देन एज वी सेड दैट दिस वाज द फर्स्ट सपोर्ट। तो ऐसा भी नहीं है कि सपोर्ट में आया मार्केट और फिर इसको तोड़ कर नीचे की तरफ गया। इफ यू वुड हैव टेकन ए कॉल हेयर ऑल्सो, यू वुड हैव मेड मनी, जो कि रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड रेशियो से आपका बनता है। तो यहाँ पर अगर आप कॉल लेते और यहाँ पर आपका स्टॉप लॉस बनता, तो फिर यहाँ पर अगर एंट्री होता, तो फिर व्हाट यू वुड हैव डन, योर टारगेट वुड हैव बीन अराउंड दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ, दैट इज जस्ट नियर टू दिस हाई। तो आप देख ही सकते हो कि स्टॉप लॉस वहां पर हिट हो गया था। नो इश्यूज, इट्स ए प्रोबेबिलिटी गेम, ये तो होता ही रहता है। लेकिन इफ यू सी दिस बिग रेड कैंडल, so this says something, and when it was forming we took the put call, we took the put call and we ended up around this sort of zone. So this was the first trade that we took today. It was in the I shared the things with the clients and also with the other members of the advisory. And then you can see then there was when actually this was the second support that we said, and this was the first support. So as you can see here that यहाँ से market ऊपर की तरफ गया, and we were in the call because I said you yesterday also that if the market goes to first support we will be taking calls, and absolutely our target was hit and we were okay with the trade. Then we just watched the market because you see this green candle was unable to break the first support, that is which became a sort of resistance by the time। एक्चुअली प्राइस एक्शन आपको बताता है कि किसको सपोर्ट लेना है और किसको रेजिस्टेंस बनाना है। यू कैन नॉट कंसिडर कि ये रेजिस्टेंस है तो ये रेजिस्टेंस ही रहेगा और ये सपोर्ट है तो ये सपोर्ट ही रहेगा। यू इट डज नॉट हैपन इन दैट वे। तो फिर क्या हुआ, इसको टच करने के बाद एक बहुत अच्छा रेड कैंडल था, मतलब कि ये दर्शा रहा था कि ये इट्स गोइंग टू गो डाउन। और निफ्टी उसके बाद थोड़ा बहुत पुल बैक आया, देन इट वेंट डाउन। बट वी डिडंट ट्रेड हेयर बिकॉज ये देख सकते हो कि ये जब कैंडल बन चुका था वी वर ऑलरेडी इन द मिडिल ऑफ दिस जोन। सो अगर हम लोग यहाँ पर मिडिल में होते हैं तो इफ वी हैड टेकन अ ट्रेड हेयर, मतलब यहाँ पर कोई ट्रेड बनता नहीं था एक्चुअली इफ यू सी फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड रेशियो, क्योंकि यहाँ पर टारगेट तो यही बनता, और इफ दिस वाज योर टारगेट योर स्टॉप लॉस वुड हैव बीन अराउंड हियर। सो ये अच्छा ट्रेड नहीं था, इसीलिए वी डिड नॉट टेक दिस वन। देन you can see how interesting things happened. Market went down from the setup. So ये दर्शाता है कि this was the like a day where price action just deviated from the setup. मतलब कि आपका जो setup है वो setup price action उसको respect नहीं कर रहा है. So you have to respect the price action and also the setup also. But sometimes what happens is ये नीचे की तरफ अगर like setup के बाहर चला जाए तो you are not going to do anything by that time. So we didn't do anything because you can see it was a turbulence here. Actually, nobody made money in this move. I can very sure because यहाँ पर शायद लगभग 50 पॉइंट्स का गैप था, तो ये एक बहुत अच्छा रेंज में था और निफ्टी रेंज में ट्रेड कर रहा था और यहाँ पर ऑप्शंस का जो प्रीमियम होता है उसको खाया जा रहा था. So this was an option eating zone. So basically there was only two trades that we took. This was the first trade and this was the call trade that we took, and we ended the day there only. And this is the Nifty intraday chart. If you want to get the setup, then you can go to the Telegram channel. It is free and you can join there. Now this is the Bank Nifty setup that we had shared, and you can see here it's the Bank Nifty setup of today. And what happened, let's just see. It was in the middle of this support, which was the first support, and this was the second support. तो पहले क्या हुआ, it was in the middle of the support, so there was no trade, and we were confused by this time because you can see that it was neither supporting the first support nor it was any giving any like valid indications whether to it will go up or down. So there was no trade so far, and then we took a trade that was from here. We took a trade till this zone. Actually, what happened is that at first we thought that this Bank Nifty is going to hit the lower boundary of the second support, but it did not, and it went up. So we were on the trade, but our stop loss was around this zone, so we were safe in the trade. Our stop loss did not get hit. And then what happened, then it came down, and by the time it was going down हम लोगों ने क्या किया था, we just like saw that this was a kind of support. The upper boundary was acting as the support rather than the second boundary, so we changed the target to this position and we booked our profit. So this was the only trade that we took, and it was approximately we waited from 12:30 or 12, I think 15 around. We took the trade and we ended up at 1:45 around. So it was a long trade. It was near about more than 1 hour trade, and by that time we booked the profit. It was like थीटा भी उसका कमाल दिखा चुका था, एंड यू नो दैट 1 hour इन वेनेसडे मीन्स a lot, बिकॉज वहाँ पर ऑप्शन का प्रीमियम जो होता है वो बहुत जल्दी घटता है. एंड दिस आर द थिंग्स दैट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड while doing the trading. And then you can see it was a very super move towards the upside. We could have taken this move, but actually we were not prepared because we already have taken लगभग 3 trades, one in Bank Nifty and two in Nifty. So that was the end of the day. Now these all were given to the like paid clients who had joined with us and enjoying the service. So I cannot share you the any sort of screenshot without their permission, and this is something we keep with ourselves only. If you like, if the client say, then we can do it. There is no issue. So to join the Telegram channel, you go and search the name Shruti Advisory. You will get the channel very easily. You can join it there. And talking about tomorrow, what we can see is that there is a like resistance just above Nifty, and if you find anything around this sort of zone and then market is just holding here, अगर यहाँ पर hold करता है market, then don't go for shorts. तो फिर क्या होगा, ये इसको तोड़ कर ऊपर की तरफ अगर चला गया, then our setup is not going to work. So we have to sit quiet, and that is, you should know that when to sit quiet and when not to. एंड इफ अगर मार्केट ये जो नो ट्रेड जोन है जो दिखा रहा है यहाँ पर, अगर मार्केट यहाँ से नीचे की तरफ जाता है, देन गो फॉर पुट, जो कि लगभग यहाँ पर है 17,908 से लेकर 17,887, अगर ये जोन को अगर नीचे की तरफ निफ्टी जाता है, देन गो फॉर पुट्स. Your targets will be 17,794 to 17,775. It's a long target, I can understand, but it's achievable. There is no doubt. You just hold it till you can keep the stop loss here, so that if it somehow reverses, you get exit with your profits. And tomorrow is Thursday, so you have to be very very, not that much adamant or ego. You should not put your ego in the trade. If the trade is not happening, just quit it, because वहाँ पर क्या करते हैं, like the big players, they eat the option premiums, right? They are the sellers in the market, so you have to, we being the buyers, we have to be very careful. So these are the two zones that I am having today. The first and the only resistance zone, that is 17,993 to 18,013, and 17,774 to 17,775. This is the support zone. Now this zone is the no trade zone, because निफ्टी अगर यहाँ पर होवर करता है, मतलब ऐसे ऐसे चलता है, then we are not going to trade anything until or unless there is a good move on the downside or on the upside of this zone. अगर upside रहता है, then we are expecting a positive market, and probably we will hit this resistance zone. अगर नीचे की तरफ रहता है, then definitely we are going to hit this zone. Then something else might happen. It might go down, or it might go up. We are going to trade only one quality trade tomorrow, because it's Thursday. I mentioned it's Thursday, the expiry day. So only one good trade is enough for the day. No need to jump in, jump out of your like trades. And talking about Bank Nifty, just let me go through Bank Nifty. Okay, so these are here also. I think there is one resistance zone that is starting from 38,097 to 38,166. There is also a no trade zone and another support zone. Support zone is around 37,427 to 37,496. If you see market closing below this yellow zone, that is the no trade zone, then definitely go for shorts and hold your position, keeping this no trade zone as your stop loss. एंड अगर मार्केट ऊपर की तरफ जाता है इस नो ट्रेड जोन के, तो फिर क्या होगा, आप लोग कॉल में रहिए, एंड देयर इज अ प्रोबेबिलिटी वी विल गो अप. टिल नाउ मार्केट इज अराउंड दिस रेजिस्टेंस जोन एंड नो ट्रेड जोन. सो पॉसिबली अगर कल गैप अप खुल जाता है, देन देयर इज नो, कोई ट्रेड ही नहीं बनता है. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू ट्रेड. इवन इफ मार्केट यहाँ पर आके फिर ऊपर की तरफ जाता है, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू ट्रेड दैट वन. दैट्स फॉर श्योर. और अगर गैप डाउन होता है या फिर नीचे की तरफ एक ह्यूज वॉल्यूम के साथ नीचे आता है, वी विल बी वॉचिंग द प्राइस एक्शन क्लोजली, बिकॉज दिस इज completely depending on price action, how the things work. तो प्राइस एक्शन आप अगर आपको अपडेट चाहिए, देन गो टू द टेलीग्राम चैनल, वी विल बी अपडेटिंग यू द थिंग्स. टिल नाउ वी आर like working from home, so we are doing it quite slowly. You will also get some free trades, free trade calls, or free trade ideas, I prefer to say. There is no mandatory case that you have to take the trade, or you don't want to take the trade. There is no issue. But if you love the services that we provide, then please do the registration as soon as possible, because we do a many more research than what we share here, because there are some things that we cannot share also, for that is personally for the clients that we have. So till now, I have shared you the setup, and I have also gone through what to do tomorrow. Only one quality trade, either in Bank Nifty or Nifty, will be enough for the day. आप ज़्यादा लाइक ब्रेन लगाओगे तो फिर क्या होगा, लॉस हो जाएगा, क्योंकि मार्केट अगर रेंज बाउंड हो गया तो फिर आपका ऑप्शंस का जो प्रीमियम है वो घट जाएगा. So you have to be cautious in that, and be careful, trade slowly, be confident of your trades. Okay. And अगर stop loss hit होता है, then close your system, get out of your trading platform. No need to do anything else. एक loss you can take it, come back another day. There is the, always remember, there is a day tomorrow, and you have to trade that day also. There is nothing like that कि एक दिन में आप करोड़पति बन जाओगे. And so these things I'm going to share in the telegram as well, so please join it as soon as possible. That's it for today. I hope I kept the video very small. Then also it went to 15 minutes, so just bear with it. Thank you for viewing, and I hope you like.